Myself, Rajendra Karale. My qualification is MSc Chemistry B.Ed and experience is of 28 years. Now, today we are going to discuss about oxidation number and their calculation. Now first we will discuss about the definition of oxidation number. Now this oxidation number is nothing but the sign and the charge carried by atom of an element in its compound or apparent charge carried by atom of an element in its compound. Now this oxidation number is also called as oxidation state. That means this oxidation number gives the oxidation state of an element present in the compound. Now this oxidation number is a fixed charge in case of covalent species. This oxidation number may be positive, comma, 0 and negative depending upon their state of combination. Now listen here. Sign and the charge carried by atom of an element in its compound or the apparent charge carried by atom of an element in its compound is called as oxidation number. This oxidation number is also called as oxidation state. That means this oxidation number represents the oxidation state of an element in the given compound. It is a fixed charge. In case of covalent species, it may be positive, 0 and negative depending upon their state of combination. Now let us consider the calculation of oxidation number. That means here write down calculation. Now let us consider the element hydrogen, here oxygen, and here consider water. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Here hydrogen atom is present in the free state. That means here there is 1 proton and 1 electron. That means proton carries unit positive charge and electrons carries unit negative charge. That means here number of positive charge is equal to number of negative charge. That means here charge on hydrogen is 0 and therefore oxidation number of hydrogen is also here 0. That means keep in mind here hydrogen atom is present in the free state or elementary state. In a similar manner, atomic number of oxygen is 8. There are 8 protons and 8 electrons. That means here number of proton is equal to number of electron. That means number of unit positive charge is equal to number of unit negative charge. That means here charge is 0, so the oxidation number is also 0. Now when hydrogen and oxygen atoms are combined together to form water molecule, but what are the oxidation number of hydrogen and oxygen in the water molecule? Here this hydrogen atom have 1 proton but 0 electron. Therefore charge on hydrogen atom is here +1 and oxidation number is also +1. Now this oxygen atom have atomic number 8. That means here there are 8 proton and 10 electrons. 10 electrons means 2 electrons are added from the hydrogen. That means here number of electrons is more than that of proton. That means here charge is -2 and hence oxidation number of oxygen is also -2. Now this can be calculated as atomic number of hydrogen is 1. That means here is electronic configuration is 1. That means this hydrogen atom loses 1 electron and form H+ ion. Now here hydrogen atom have 1 proton and 1 electron. But here hydrogen atoms have 1 proton and 0 electron. That means here charge is 0 and here charge is +1. In a similar manner, you can also calculate for oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Its electronic configuration is 2, 6. In the valence shell of oxygen, there are 6 electrons. That means oxygen required 2 electrons to complete their octet. That is, oxygen plus 2 electron gives O2 minus. here 8 proton is there and 8 electron. That means here charge is 0 and oxidation number is also 0. Now here how many protons are there? 8 proton but 10 electron, therefore charge is -2 and hence oxidation number is also -2. In a similar manner, let us consider second example, hydrogen, chlorine and here HCl. Again here write down atomic number 1 proton, 1 electron. So the here charge is 0 and hence oxidation number is also 0. What is the atomic number of chlorine? 17. Here there are 17 proton, 17 electron. So the charge is 0. Oxidation number is also 0. Now this hydrogen and chlorine atoms are combined together to form HCl. Here 1 proton is there, 0 electron is there. That means charge is +1, oxidation number is also +1. Here 17 proton, 18 electron, charge is -1 and hence oxidation number is also -1. That means here also you can calculate by using the electronic configuration. That means here hydrogen 1, its electronic configuration is 1. That means in the outermost shell of hydrogen there is only 1 electron. This hydrogen atom lose 1 electron and form H plus ion. Here write down 1 proton, 1 electron, charge is 0, oxidation number is also 0. Here 1 proton, 0 electron, charge is +1 and oxidation number is also +1. In a similar manner you can also calculate for chlorine 17. Its electronic configuration is 287. In the valence shell of chlorine there are 7 electrons. That means chlorine required 1 electron to complete their octet. That is Cl plus 1 electron gives Cl minus. Here there are 17 proton, 17 electron, charge is 0, oxidation number is also 0. But in case of Cl minus, 17 proton, 18 electron, charge -1 and oxidation number is also -1. Now in a similar manner you can also take the third example, hydrogen, sulfur and here H2S. Here again write down 1 proton, 1 electron, charge 0 and oxidation number is 0. Here 16 protons are there, 16 electron, charge 0, oxidation number 0. Now here you calculate 1 proton and 0 electron, charge +1, oxidation number +1. Here 16 proton and 18 electrons are there. 2 electrons are added from 2 hydrogen atom. That means here charge minus 2 and here also charge minus 2. That means here you can also write down H1, EC is 1, that is electronic configuration. Here hydrogen lose 1 electron and form H plus ion. Now here atomic number of hydrogen is 1, therefore it contains 1 proton and 1 electron. Proton carries unit positive charge and electrons carries unit negative charge. That means here number of positive charge is equal to number of negative charge. That means this is electrically neutral, and here charge is 0 and oxidation number is also 0. In a similar manner, here 1 proton and 0 electron, therefore charge is plus 1 and oxidation number is also plus 1. In a similar manner, you can also calculate the oxidation number of sulfur in H2S, that is 286. In the valence shell, there are 6 electrons, and that sulfur requires 2 electrons to complete their octet. That means the sulfur atom accept 2 electrons and form S2 minus ion. Here there are 16 proton, 16 electron, charge is 0, oxidation number is also 0. Here 16 proton, 18 electron, charge minus 2 and oxidation number is also minus 2. That means in this way you can easily find out, or you can easily calculate the oxidation number of any element which is present in the free state, that means elementary state as well as in the combined state. And these points are very helpful to solve the numericals that are present in the redox reaction.